Welcome back, subscribers. We're up to 54. It's amazing. Thank you very much for all the thumbs up and likes and comments. Smash that like button. We're here for another unboxing, unpackaging, really, because now we've got our second last accessory that I needed for the Tesla Model 3, and this was one that I saw in another Tesla owner's car. He had a shade for the center glass because in summer that does get quite hot and the heat does penetrate through that and heat up the cabin a lot, which makes the aircon just feel like it's not working. Whereas this, he said, made a big impact and improved that situation a lot. So let's get to it. Bam. Lead. Let's put it up. I'm not going to use that one again. So here we have it. Comes in a nice fabric package. Pretty cool. So we unzip that container to reveal another plastic container. And this one we can just rip open. And here we have it. One of those things that unfurls. And that's effectively what it is. It's a little shade. So it's pretty cool. It looked very nice. And then I guess I just can refill it back into that package when I'm not using it. So that's pretty cool. I think it was pretty cheap. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, okay, so there's these things. These are little positioning plugs by the looks of it. I don't think there's actually any instructions in this bag. There's no instructions. So let's open this up. One, two, three, four, five. So the package comes with 5 positioning lugs that kind of anchor it in the top, and I'm going to show you what I mean, right? We're still here. I forgot to mention, these lugs that came with it actually affix to this thing at the edge, and what needs to happen is it's got a side with 2 prongs and a side with 1 prong, and then you attach the double thing that kind of hooks onto one of these, and then that's what you use to then jam it into the roof liner of the car, apparently. Not too convinced. Very, very weird. But let's go give it a shot. So this is, now we're going to the car. This glass up here is what I'm talking about. You can see through it beautifully, but that means that the heat or the sun can actually get through there. And during summer, obviously it's getting closer to winter, it's actually quite nice having it. But we do want to get something up here, and there's a bit of space through here to get something to stay up. So that's what these things are for. These little lug things. So that attaches to that, and then that slides in there, and hopefully that will keep it from falling. So let me quickly try and test it out. Let's just see if it will actually fit first of all. Alright. So yes, it does fit. And that's what it should look like. I don't think it's going to stay up. Oops. Yep, so that falls down. So I need one here. I need to find out. Clip on! Yes! That one clipped on. I'm assuming that's actually the right way. Oh, that's probably meant to be the other way, isn't it? But actually... That will come out, so that's actually upside down. Bugger! So don't install it flat side down, install it flat side up. Come on. Okay. That way now. That bit goes in there. Yes, that does work. Alright, so one. That's it. Up. Now, what I mean by that is it needs to go like that, not like that. So install it like that, that, and then that. Oh, seriously. This is bloody annoying to install, guys. Just smash that like button to make this worth it for me. Comment that you appreciate the effort that I'm going to, and if you're buying a Tesla, do buy it through that link that I'm giving you, because this is... I'm gonna pause this video and just get them all done. Oh, come on. These bloody pegs to get on are something else. I finally installed 4 of the 5 plugs. I think this is just a spare. I hope it is, because I'm not even going to consider putting in another one. That was so bloody difficult for what it is. That was maximum effort. 4, 2. Okay. That is not leaving that space there. So I'm gonna leave it in for a couple of days. See what I feel like. That's what it looks like installed. Yeah. Maybe it's working. It's okay. That has to be the most frustrating accessory to install yet to date. Smash that like button, comment to let me know it was worth it, or if you don't think it was worth it at the moment. I'm thinking it wasn't worth it for that amount of effort to actually put in there. These pegs are insanely hard, just they don't push in. They kind of like, you need to hook it on and then just it over. It's just frustrating, this shape. Look at that. Look there. Okay. And I've got one left over. What's that about? So anyway, that's a short quick video on how to install this latest accessory. Loving my cup holder over here. Look at the love. It's twisted on. Loving it. Oh, I wonder if I can get both in shot. Good job, guys.